Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is The Loving Dog. Now I'm going to tell you the characters of the chapter. The characters in the chapter are Monica, Lucky, the dog, Anandi, Anandi's mother, Raja, and Mr. Roy. Okay, so these are the characters, all those who are involved in the story ahead. Now we will see, as we discussed earlier, the characters in this story. This girl is Monica, this is Lucky the dog, and this is Monica's mother. Now, as you can see, Monica has a dog, and she has a dog that chews everything he finds. Now let's see why Monica is angry. Monica is scolding her dog Lucky. He is looking at Monica. His red wet tongue is hanging out of his mouth. You can see the red wet tongue hanging out of his mouth. Monica, I think the name Chewy suits you better. Why does she say so? Because the name of the dog is Lucky, but he always keeps on chewing things. So Monica thinks that the name Chewy is better for him. You chew everything you see. Lucky barks and says woof woof. Then Monica says, you try to chew my homework every evening and the notebook becomes wet. Now, whenever Monica wants to do the homework, she finds that the dog chews her homework every evening, and when it's wet, she is not able to see what's that given in the homework. Lucky, looking at her face, says, whoop. Lucky feels sorry. Monica, no, I am angry with you. Monica's mother is smiling. She's wiping Monica's notebook with a dry towel. Now, there was a bonding between Monica and Lucky. Actually, Monica loved Lucky, but when Lucky was mischievous, she got angry because she was unable to do the homework. Now, here Monica's mother is helping Monica wipe the notebook and wiping it with a dry towel so that the notebook becomes dry and she is able to do the homework. So, what do you see here? That Monica's mother helps Monica. Okay. Now comes the second part. In the second part, the characters are Anandi and Anandi's mother. As you can see, children, Anandi is having something in his hand and her mother is behind Anandi. Let's see what happens. Anandi is drawing a rainbow. You can see here in Anandi's hand. Anandi is drawing a rainbow. Now she wants to color it. She is looking for her color box. Now Anandi wants to color the rainbow, but anyhow she has misplaced her color box. She cannot find it. She's trying to remember where she put it, and mother is helping her in doing that. When you also misplace things, your parents help you to search it. So what does Anandi say? I cannot find my color box. I want to color this rainbow. Mother, look for it in your bag. Generally, the parents ask the children to look for things wherever you keep, the usual place where you keep it. But Anandi says, it is not in my bag. Mother, look for it on your table. The other option. Mother gives the other option. If it's not in your bag, then look it for in your table. Anandi says, it is not on my table. Mother says, then where is it? Anandi, now I remember. I put it in Amit's bag. Okay, so mother asked her to search in the bag, then on the table, but she could not find because actually she had kept those colors in Amit's bag. Anandi and her mother are opening Amit's bag. They find two color boxes in the bag. They are now taking Anandi's color box out of the bag. So in this part also we observed how mother helped the child to find out the things, and previously in when we were doing Monica's story, we found that how mother helped Monica in wiping the notebook and let her do the homework. Here also Anandi's mother helps Anandi to find out the color box, and she will go ahead with the coloring. Okay. Now, previously we have seen Monica, Monica's dog, Monica's mother. Now, then Anandi and Anandi's mother. Now we can see two characters here. This is Raja and this is Mr. Roy. As you can see, Raja is thinking something and Mr. Roy is looking very carefully. Now, what is Mr. Roy looking for? Mr. Roy is looking for something under the street lamp. Raja sees him and tries to help him. Previously, we have seen in those two parts that Monica's mother is also helping Monica and Anandi's mother also helps Anandi. Let's see who helps here whom. Raja sees him and tries to help him. Raja, Mr. Roy, what are you looking for? Mr. Roy, I'm looking for my car keys. Raja, do you think they are lying here? Raja wants to help Mr. Roy, so he thinks that, are you sure that they are here? Mr. Roy, no, they are lying under the tree. Raja, then why are you looking for them here? Raja says that if it's under the tree, then why are you looking here? In the meantime, Raja takes out a torch from his bag because in order to find out the key is a very small thing. So, in order to find out the key, Raja takes out a torch and then helps Mr. Roy to find out. Mr. Roy, it is very dark under the tree, so I'm looking for them under the street lamp. Okay, Mr. Roy wants to see the things under the street lamp because it was dark. But Raja thinks of an idea. Why not take out the torch from his bag? And now he is helping Mr. Roy to look for the keys under the tree. Okay, so here Raja helped Mr. Roy find out the keys. How? By with the help of the torch. Okay, so in these three parts of the story there were different characters in all the three parts. Overall, what did we learn? That one or the other person should help each other. There, when Monica was in trouble, the dog had trouble Monica. Then Monica's mother was helping. When Anandi was in trouble, Anandi's mother helped. And when Mr. Roy was in trouble, Raja helped Mr. Roy. Okay, so we should make it a point that we should always help the people around us. Okay. Now, children, I hope you must have understood the story. It was divided into three parts. The characters were different and it was easy for you to understand, I hope. Okay, now if you wish you can go through the video once again, and after that here are some words related to the chapter which I have given. You have to write these words in your notebook wherever you have been doing the homework. I'll read out the words for you: scolding, hanging, better, chew, everything, evening, homework, rainbow, torch, remember, and notebook. These are the words which you have to write in your notebook, okay? And try to learn and memorize the spellings also, okay, children? Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.